Hi friends, in this we are going to discuss about what's the difference between qualitative and quantitative traits. As we already know that quantitative traits, uh, as we already know that in the previous video we discussed about what are quantitative traits and qualitative traits. In this, I'm going to discuss about the what's the difference between those two traits, quantitative and qualitative traits. Sorry, in this it's a quantitative n quantitative traits q n t quantitative traits and qualitative traits. And first, the variation in the qualitative traits, it's a discontinuous manner. In the quantitative, it's a continuous manner, and the effect of individual gene is large and easily detectable. But in quantitative traits, it's a small and undetectable, so it's we can call it as a minor gene effect, and it's a major gene effect. We can easily distinguish between what is the effect of single gene in qualitative traits, but in case of quantitative traits we cannot uh, distinguish between the effects of two genes because it's a minor effects. It's a cumulative effect. That is, quantitative traits is polygenic, controlled by many genes and many genes, so we cannot distinguish between the each single gene's effects. And genes involves, as I said, it's a one or few, and it's several genes are individual, so we cannot, if one character is like yield, it's governed by many genes, so we cannot say particular trait is a particular gene is responsible for that, how its effect is there, how much effect is there, we cannot easily say because several genes are present. But in this qualitative traits, if one gene can, with the one gene effect of that one or few genes, we can say, and grouping into the distinct classes. In this, it is possible, but in this, it's not possible to group into distinct classes, easily differentiable. And coming to environmental effect, it's a little effect and it's a high. Environment plays a high role in the quantitative traits because it's governed by, as I said, that it's highly influenced by environment compared to qualitative traits. As you already know, some of the qualitative traits we can like it's highly affected by environmental characters. If environment is not favorable, then there will be a very drastic reduction in yield. So environment plays a major role in quantitative traits. Analysis based on in the qualitative traits, analysis based on ratios and frequencies, but in this quantitative traits is analysis based on mean, variance and covariance. For this, all these mean, variance, covariance, please refer our channel. In this we have mentioned about mean, variance and covariance in brief manner. Metric measurement is not possible in qualitative traits. It's possible, and like metric measurement, length, height we can measure, but we cannot measure the shape. Yeah, we cannot measure shape, and uh, flower color, like this we cannot measure that color with respect to metric measurements. And stability, it's qualitative traits is highly stable, and it's less stable because it's highly affected by environment, and environmental effect is measured, so its stability is compared to low as compared to qualitative traits. As I said, with respect to metric measurements, various metric measures like height and length, width, duration, these are all possible with for the quantitative traits or polygenic traits, whereas such measurements are not possible with respect to the qualitative traits. And the qualitative traits can be grouped into different classes based on shape and color. So, like as I said, shape and color. color, but it's not possible in this grouping. As I said, that shape and color, it's not possible with respect to quantitative. So this is brief difference between qualitative and quantitative traits. Please stay tuned for further videos. Please subscribe our channel. If you need anything, please do comment and share. Thank you.